Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Have I not commanded you, be strong and of good courage? Do not be afraid, nor be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. For I, the Lord your God, will hold your right hand, saying to you, fear not, I will help you. Be strong and of good courage. Do not be afraid, nor be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God, and the peace of God which surpasses all understanding will guard your hearts and mind through Christ Jesus. The Lord is on my side. I will not fear. What can man do to me? Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. There is no fear in love, but perfect love casts out fear, because fear involves torment. But he who fears has not been made perfect in love. Casting all your care upon him, for he cares for you. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, and of love, and of a sound mind. The fear of man brings us near, but whoever trusts in the Lord shall be safe. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? The Lord is indeed going before you. He will be with you. He will not fail you or abandon you. Do not be afraid or discouraged. Be strong and of good courage. Do not fear nor be afraid of them, for the Lord your God, He is the one who goes with you. He will not leave you nor forsake you. I sought the Lord, and He heard me and delivered me from all my fears. Are not 2 sparrows sold for a copper coin? And not one of them falls to the ground apart from your Father's will. But the very hairs of your head are all numbered. Do not fear, therefore. You are of more value than many sparrows. For you did not receive the spirit of bondage again to fear, but you received the spirit of adoption, by whom we cry out, Abba, Father. So we may boldly say, the Lord is my helper, I will not fear. What can man do to me? Do not fear, little flock, for it is your Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom. And when they saw him walking on the sea, they supposed it was a ghost, and cried out, for they all saw him and were troubled. But immediately he talked with them and said to them, Be of good cheer, it is I, do not be afraid. But even if you should suffer for righteousness' sake, you are blessed, and do not be afraid of their threats, nor be troubled. In God I have put my trust. I will not fear what can flesh do to me. As a father pities his children, so the Lord pities those who fear him. Then the angel said to her, "Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God, and behold, you will conceive in your womb and bring forth a son, and shall call his name Jesus.